I get to ride the CBR1000RR. Oh, okay. Oh my God, I can barely touch on this thing. What the? Oh, oh. Oh, that's different. I mean, look at the, it just lopes. Okay, I'm a little nervous. Oh, Michael's on my R1. Jeez, it's a different feel. Oh, look at that. I can barely touch though. Oh, that's a nice bike. Got the ZX10R. All right, let's get it. Oh, Jesus. I'm a little nervous. I gotta make sure that I use the clutch. Oh, it's weird not being on a cross plane. What the heck? Oh, he doesn't have any mirrors. I don't know if I like this or not. I'm gonna tell you what, I freaking love the R1. This right here confirms it. I'm not gonna lie, this bike is loud. Okay, so this is MK's 2022 CBR1000RR. He's on my R1. I want to get some video of it coming by here. Damn. Get on it, get on it. God! That's the difference. Woo! Jesus. I don't think I could go back to a regular inline. I don't know what it is, man. Just something about that cross plane. Oh, wait. That R1 boy. Yo! Jesus. Well, I can tell you right now, the R1 is my baby. I am definitely a cross-plane person, for sure. This confirms it. But man, I just love the way that that R1 looks and sounds. This bike here's got a lot of vibration. It's loud. Oh my God. This SC project exhaust he's got on here, I mean, it is insane. The bike handles good though. I'm not raked way over. This bike is not lowered at all. And I mean, it's actually really comfortable, to be honest with you. I'd say it's more comfortable than some of the other bikes that I've ridden before. less than 4,000 miles on it when he bought it for a 22. Man, I'm telling you, that's a heck of a deal. That's a really freaking good deal. I don't know how to use the blinkers, or I'd use them. Sounds nasty, looks nasty. All right, let's figure out. I need to get some gas. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get gas here in just a second. I'll get it here in a second.
Okay, so what do I really think about after riding that 22 CBR1000? Well, let me tell you this. For the price and the performance at $12,000 is what he bought that bike for, and it had less than 4,000 miles on it, unbelievable. I mean, you're getting a 1,000cc motorcycle that's pretty much just as fast as any other bike stock out there. Go get that sucker flash tune. I mean, look at the videos online. It would be insane. The bike came with the SC Project exhaust and a license plate relocation kit. So for 12 G's, a 1,000, and a 2022, I'm in that all day. Now my bike here, this is a 23, paid $21,000 out the door, so I'm paying $9,000 more with no accessories at all. So I had to lower mine in the back, I lowered it in the front. We're talking about license plate relocation. I had to get it flash tuned. The cheap eBay exhaust that I have, right? None of that came with the bike. Levers, blinker genie, you name it. What else did I like about the bike? It was comfortable. You weren't raked completely over. This is the second R1 that I've owned, and every one of them has been seriously uncomfortable. Now, my bike here is not uncomfortable at all, because I have it lowered in the front, 2 inches in the back, and so you can see that it's pretty flat across that particular line right here. So after riding the CBR, it confirmed why I purchased my R1. Absolutely love it. Yeah, it's probably the slower of all of the 1000s, but you know what? I don't care. It sounds good, it looks amazing, and you know what? They're all fast. I don't care what you say. Go buy you one of the newer 1000s, and guess what? They're all gonna be quick. If you're in the market for a 1000 and you don't want to spend a lot of money, go pick that CBR up. It's a good looking bike, it sounds good, it's cheap. I'm gonna tell you what, it won't disappoint. Thanks for watching.